Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to plot this beautiful microbial community bar chart and how we can export the data from Majorbio for those of us studying in China. From Majorbio sites, then we send it to Origin lab for plotting of this beautiful microbial community analysis bar chart. Let's go as we go detail on how to go about it. So now the first thing you should do is to go straight to the sites of Majorbio. In my previous video, I've explained to you that when you want to do this, you send your sample to Majorbio. This company is a biological tech company that help to analyze microbial sample. And when you send your sample to them for microbial community analysis, so they analyze the sample and upload the data in their websites. Then you create a profile with them and you log into the profile. I have logged into the profile. This is you sign out. I have taught you how to log in my previous video. You go and check. So when you log in, you arrive at this page. When you get to this page, it normally appear in Chinese. Have translate to English. If you want to to translate to English, you right click, you right click once, then you come to translate to English. It will do that for you. So I have sent 4 samples to them, and this last sample contains 6 samples. So let's work with this one to see how we can arrive at that bar chart. So you click on this one. They have analyzed it to get the data. Click on it. It will open. Once you open like this, you have to right click, as I said, to translate. So you translate it to English. You arrive at this place. This part is the information about your sample, the data about your sample. Each one have their own function. We will deal with them one after the other, but let's work with the community composition, how to export data for origin lab plotting. So since we are working with community composition, we are going to work with species and functional composition. So you click on this species and functional composition. It will bring you Venn diagram, bar chart, heat map, and cycles. People work with cycles. I don't like it. Sometimes I work with heat map. I don't work with Venn diagram. I work with heat map and bar chart. So let's work with bar charts. You click on the bar chart, then it will take you down to this page. So you can also translate to English. You right click, you translate to English, then you arrive. So it's going to give you this. You're saying this is 3 sample. You know, I sent 6 sample from the initial stage that I show you. You see sample from here. You look at it, it's 6 sample. So now it's theory that is here. It means I personally curate theory to analyze theory first. So to get all your sample back, you have to come to this place. When you come to this place, what will you do? We are going to work with genus. You come to this place, classification level, click on it. You have to select genus. You click on genus. Then for you to get all your sample, you come to this place, grouping scheme. So you come here. You see, this is the theory sample that is showing in that bar chart. Because I have not selected the remaining theory, that is why we don't see the 6. So you click on it to remove, or click it again to highlight everything. So everything is being highlighted. If you have not run it before, immediately you click on run, you are going to wait for at least 20 minutes. It will take 20 minutes to analyze the data and give you what you want. But since I have run it before, it has already been stored in my storage. So that is why when I click on run, it will give me what I want instantly. But if you are a beginner, it's your first time of running it, you have to wait for 20 minutes. So I selected 20 because I have explained my previous video. The 20 are the key players, the key microbial players. I don't want thousands of microbes to appear in my work. Just the best 20 key players I pick. That is why I put 20 here. So when I run like this, it said calculated successfully, but it's because I've run it before. It can take 20 minutes for it to be successful. So you have this, everything is already here. Some people can beautify this and use it, but I don't do that. I export it and get the data and plot it to get this beautiful bar chart. So how do you do that? You have to go to this catalog of results. Catalog of results. So you open it. In most cases, I don't work with orders. I remove the orders in my work because this order contains more than 3,000 microbes. These 3,000 microbes, they are the ones that contribute to this percentage. If you divide the percentage of their contribution by their number, the contribution of individual microbes will be insignificant, so I don't use it. So I click on this to get the data. When I click on that, it takes me to this page. So you click on this interaction. Don't forget, it will take you to this place. Don't forget, we are working with composition. We want to look at microbial composition. So here, functional composition. You click on functional composition. And we are not working with heat map, we work with bar charts. So you click on bar charts. Now, how did you know the one that you are going to use? So you go to this your image, come up of this image, look at this number. This number is, it ends with 4323. So you go to this place, look for 4323. Here is it, 4323. You click on it, then it brings you here. Once you arrive at this place, what will you do? You download. People download this percentage table directly and use it. When you download this percentage table, you are going to have something of this nature. You're going to have something like this. But my professor don't allow my research group to use it directly because he says sometimes it's the computer, there may be some mistake in calculation. So we have to do it ourselves, the calculation, using Excel. So how did you do that? You have to download the entire table. This is the entire table. All the microbes are in this table. So we download this to calculate the percentage. To download, you click on this for the entire table. If you want to use the percentage calculated by the sites, you click on this. So you can translate to really know what is there. This is download. You can download this for the percentage. You download this for the sum total of all the microbes present. So after we download this, we have to polish it. Then when you download it, you're going to have this. After you've calculated, you have done your calculation on percentage contribution, you have this this table. So when you have this table like this, you have to take this table now to Origin Lab. How will you do that? You copy this, you copy, then you come to Origin Lab. This blank page, blank table. So you click here, you right click, then you transpose so that you can change the setting. You transpose. When you transpose, you are going to have something of this nature. Then you go back again, you copy these microbes, you copy, you go back, you come here, you transpose. Don't just copy direct, paste, transpose. So you transpose, you paste like this, and you have this table like this. So what will you do? You highlight all the table, then you plot. We are going to use 100% stock column to plot. You plot. So you have this figure. You're saying we have to purify this figure to get the to the taste of what you want. So to do that, just click on this connection, on this connection. Click on them twice. Right click twice. Sorry, left click twice. Once you left click like this, double click, then you come to this first layer. Click on this first layer. Then you come to stock. You click on the stock. Show connect line on stock. We don't want it. It's the one showing all these lines. So you remove it. No. Then you apply. You say it has removed all the connections. You say okay. So how do you remove all the percentage? You highlight them. Click on them to highlight them. Then, sorry. When you click on them to highlight them like this, sorry. Then you go to your keyboard, press delete. Oh, sorry, it's not there. I did not click it well. I return back. So click on it. Yes, like this. Highlight the number. Then you click delete. It will delete that one. Then click on another one. Then click delete in your keyboard. So that is how you're going to delete all the percentage. You delete. Immediately you finish deleting everything, we are going to have something of this nature. You're going to arrive as something of this nature. So you continue with your modification. So let's start with the beautification of the bar chart. So you double click on the bar chart. It will bring this page for you. So you go to pattern. Yes, when you have this pattern like this, you come to color. Click on the color. Then click on this. Make sure the thing is on biplot. Biplot. So you go to increment list. Click on the increment list. Why? Because you want to use it to select the favorable color you want for your bar charts. You click on it. So you can choose any color you want to use in your bar charts. Let's use this color. Let's try this. Let's try this color. Yeah. You click on this. You apply. You see the color have changed. So to continue with the beautification, you come to this border width, reduce it to 0.2, then you apply. Yes, you have this like this. Then to make your work look very unique, you come to this gradient field, choose one color, then come to this top button. When you get to this top button, choose the one with light middle, horizontal center, alt value. Just click on that. Then you come to this lightness, put it on 39. Then you apply. So you have this color, this fine color. But if you think maybe this color is not good to your taste, you can still change it. Or if you think you can modify You can increase the brightness, the lightness, you can increase the lightness. Yeah. Or you can come to this place and choose which of the lightness you want. You can click on this one. If it is this one you want, then you apply. Let's change it. So let's go with this. Immediately you arrive at this place, then you close. You say, okay, okay. Sorry, the bar charts, they are too big for my liking. You have to reduce the size. You double click on the bar chart again, the bar again. Yeah, you double click on it. Then you come to spacing to reduce the size. To reduce the size, then I use 40 always. Put it on 40. Then you apply. You see the size I've reduced. I think I like this. So you have this fine bar chart. So we continue with the beautification. We have to work on the figure, on the labeling. So how did you do that? You click on the labeling. Then some people have shortcuts, some don't have shortcuts. Like me, I have shortcut like this. It can appear like this. I can work on this like this. I can choose what the fonts I want. I use Arial. Then I use 16 as the font size, 16. Then I bold. Then I also come to this place. I also do the same. Arial. Then I use 16 and I bold. So this is it. Now for this, I have to change it to microbial relative abundance. And the units of microbial relative abundance, as we seen in the beginning of this plotting, we use 100%. Yes, stock plot. So the unit is percent. You put it percentage. So you have to highlight and bold. You bold it. Then you click outside. It will place it. Then we come to this place. When that this place is my bioreactor, you put it. I used to put it at treatments. Yeah, my treatments. So I put bioreactors. So treatments. So I bold it. Then I leave it like this. So once I have this, the next thing is for me to remove these thick lines. This thick line is not good. So it's not good looking. You have to remove it. Click on this line like this. Yeah, it's open. Now you go to line and tick. Click on line and tick. It's open. So we are going to remove this minor tick and take this major tick inside. So how did you do it? This is the major tick. Take it inside, in major tick. Then minor ticks, take it, remove it. Then you apply. It's going to take the major one inside. We're saying take it inside and remove the minor. So what will you do next? We are going to cover the top. You cover the top. So how will you do that? You come to, let us cover the top first. You come to top, this top, click on this top. Then you see there's no line. That is why it is not showing. So click on it. Once you click on it, then the next thing you're going to do is, we don't want any tick on top. So you said no. You come to minor tick. No, you apply. Once you apply, it's going to put it there. Yeah, it has put it there. So you can see it's already there. So once you do that, We have to remove also the tick in the at the bottom of it. So you click on the button, this button. So you click on no, you come here, click on no, then you apply. It's going to remove them. So it has removed them. Now it has removed everything. You have this, but our legend is not showing. So for you to bring out this legend that is not longer here, you come to graph and look for legends, then legends. Click on this show legends. Yeah, it has brought it out. So bring it, take it out. You click on it, you hold it and drag it will go out. Then bring it, reduce the size so that you can see everything. So you have it like this. Yeah, here is your legends. Yeah. So what are you going to do next? We have to separate this this bioreactor. This is microalgae bacterial bioreactor. This. Why this one is micro only bacterial bioreactor? So we separate it. How are you going to do that? You come to this place. This my computer is a bit slow. You come to this place, this light tool, then you put it here, you drag it down, and you leave it. When you click on this light tool, it's going to give you that cross sign. Then you place it here, drag it down. You have this. So you can double click on it on the line to increase it and select the type of line you want. You can just click it once, it will show. Just click it once, it will show here. Then you can select the line. I use dash line. Then I use 1.5 as the thickness. So you see it has separated it into two. So what will I do next? I need to put the name of the microbes up here. So how will I do that? I click on this line. I click on this line this way. So you see, I'm going to increase the height of this to create space for me to put the name there. So this 0 is from this 0, then 200 to this 100. So let me make it 110, 110. Then I apply to create space for me at the top. So when I apply, it's going to create a space for me. So I already have a space there. So what will I do next? I come to this this rectangular box. I click on it. Then I drag it here. I make it flop along with the top. Yeah. So you also come again, you click it again, then you do the same thing to this part. Let it flop because I'm using it to teach. So I don't really have time to make it more beautiful. So you have this like this. You can change the color. Just click on it and come to this place, color fill. You can choose any color of your type, the color you want, you prefer. So I don't like bright color. Let me go with this one. I click this. Then I come again, color, and I click this again. Yes. So we now have this color. Now I have to write something on it because this one is microalgae bacteria. I write microalgae bacteria, microalgae bacteria. Sorry, bacteria. Then I do the same for this place. Oh, sorry, microalgae is not correct. This is G. Okay. Then I do the same to this place. I put bacteria. Yes. So I have to make it to be at the middle. At the middle. So knowing fully well that this is from genus level, I have to come and put genus here. I click on this test tool, then I come here, paste it here, then click on that place and I put genus level. Genus level. Yes. Then I have everything. I can bold it. You bold it. Yeah. Genus level. Knowing that your microbes scientific name need to be italic. So how will you do that? You double click. Then you double click it. You highlight everything, make it italic, and you bold it. So click outside. After you have done that, you have this. So immediately you have this like this. You have succeeded in creating. You can shift it close if you want. You have succeeded in creating exact microbial community like the one you have in your site, but now you have more beautiful one. So this is the one they have. If you check, the first game player here is Nitrosomona. The second one is Afro Microbial. So you come to what we just plot. Yeah. The largest one, which is this color, is Nitrosomona, followed by this this one, which is blue, this Afro Microbial. So they are just like that. So you have your beautiful bar charts like this to express your microbial community. So after you have done this, you can export. You come here, you export export graph. You can choose, are you going to export in TIFF? Are you going to export in a JPEG or any other SVG? Depends on what you want to export with. You click on exports, it's going to bring option for you. It depends on what's the type of file you want to export it with. My computer is a bit slow. Yeah. If you click on exports, then click on dialog, open dialog. So it's going to open it this way. So you can choose which of the file you want. Is it PNG? Is it JPEG? Is it TF? SVG, PDF? Any file you want, just click on it. Then you adjust. You can choose the resolution you want, the size, and everything here. But in most cases, and you can give the name and choose the location. In most cases, I don't do that. I just click on. I just right click, then I copy. I go to copy image, then I come to copy images, then I click on it. Then if it is JPEG I want, I put it on JPEG. If it's PNG, I put it on PNG. Let me choose JPEG, then I copy. So I come down to my my PPT PowerPoint. Let me create a new slide. Let me duplicate this, then remove this. Then I paste the one I brought from there, paste it here. So now you have the beautiful one that I just plot. You see it has cut this place because the size over there is too large. So we have to go back and do that. So for the sake of time, let me stop here. You need to export. Just export it and you get the full picture. But this is how you plot it, and you have a beautiful bar chart plot. Thank you. Follow me. Follow my YouTube channel for more biological video like this, especially microbiology. We have much are coming on the way. Uh, Follow my YouTube channel. I remain Iheneden Iyobosa. Thank you very much.